G903, we're making small improvements on one of the best mice ever designed, the G900. So we've updated the design of the original G900 by adding 50 million click buttons to the mechanical pivot button design, which is an awesome new innovative design of the Switch. We've also added in a weight module that allows you to add 10 grams to the weight of the mouse.
With G903, we wanted to make sure that we solved all of the problems that people perceive with wireless gaming. So they're concerned about latency, they're concerned about weight, and they're concerned about battery life. We've solved the problem of latency with our Lightspeed wireless. We do a ton of testing both in real world and in simulated environments.
Some gamers were finding that the incredible weight reduction we did with the original G900 actually made the product slightly too light for them. So we wanted to add a 10-gram weight to allow people to have the option to increase the weight if they wanted to.
And finally, talking about battery life, we have our incredibly efficient sensor and battery design. G903 comes with the following as first a G903 mouse, the combination data and USB cable for both charging and data. It has an accessory case in which you'll see both replaceable buttons and extra button blanks, a Lightspeed receiver, a USB adapter, and an optional 10-gram weight. Set up your G903, plug your USB cable into your PC, and then take the USB adapter, plug it to the end of the USB cable, and you're ready to go. G903 features our dual mode hyperfast scroll wheel for click-to-click or free spinning scrolling. The hyperfast wheel has a new spoked design, which allows us to remove a lot of the weight. We have 5 DPI levels. It features our PMW3366 sensor, which is our highest end sensor. G903 can be set up either left or right-handed thanks to the removable button panels and buttons. You can pop them off, they stick on with magnets, and you can set it up so it's either left side, right side, or both sides at the same time. We're able to consistently outperform the competition in terms of signal strength and fidelity. And we were able to get a ton of functionality without exceeding 110 grams.
Combine all these things together and you get an incredibly powerful wireless gaming mouse that's simple and straightforward to use and incredibly comfortable.